Hey guys! Is this thing on? Think it's good? Yeah. So, I'm here again. Welcome back to you guys. And I'm here to share with you guys another Shopee find. But I think this is already repetitive because this item or this brand has been crazy and I'm obsessed with this brand. I love it. It's been something that I've been getting a lot from. And so I think it's this one. Yeah. It's from Nicole again. And this is not its original packaging. I unfortunately forgot where I store that packaging, so sadly I'm gonna use an old packaging of a different bag, but I don't care. Like it's already popping out because this is different from what the original bag is, but it's still the same. It's still the same, that it's in like this. It's in I think it's in a bigger box. And then it also comes in this, and I'm just getting into it because honestly you guys have to see this. Oh, this has the same thank you notes and everything. Nicole, or if you are Nicole, honestly your branding packaging is amazing. I just have you guys need to be careful about it. And here it is. I don't think you can still see it, but you can see it's a bigger bag from the ones that I have. And I don't know if you guys will guess the color because I've been contemplating if I should get this one, this style of bag in this color, but I had no regrets. And it's... ta-da! Yes, I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's a pale pink style of a Chanel reissued inspired bag. And honestly, oh, this is, yeah, like the reissue, it's not double flap, and it's beautiful. I mean, really pretty. And this one is huge. I mean, see, you see that? It's huge. It's a big bag. I don't know if I have comparison with this one. I will compare it in a different video, not here. But yeah, this is a big bag and it's super cute. There's a turnkey, and there's stuffing inside. And here it is. And then there's a zipper pocket and then two pouches. So it's the same, and it has a back pocket right here. So honestly, this is such a pretty good bag. I'll put the stuffing back again. Now, this bag, I was contemplating because I said, like, do I need a pink bag? Do I like accessorizing in a pink bag? And honestly, I do, because I do need a bag like this, because this is such an easy bag to have, to use on an errands, and it's like a baby pink. It's really cute and adorable, girly. I barely am a girly girl, but with this one, it's elegant, okay? It really is. See? And that's why I also took this upon myself to get this one. It's because the one that I have that's pink is actually a mini Kelly design inspired bag, and that one is also in baby pink, but of course it's smaller, it fits lesser than what fits here. And sometimes I use this because sometimes I put eco bags here, and because whenever I go to errands I need eco bag, and sometimes I bring two at least, and then I bring my phone. Yeah, and then I'll put the size comparison on that, maybe on like two different style of bags with the same color, because they have different purposes for me. But here it is. It's beautiful. It's just the same thing as the other ones. I get to put this crossbody, and I could put it also in a shoulder bag. Usually I carry it as a shoulder bag with this one. Sometimes I put it crossbody, but I like it like this. And it's actually cute with this one. Maybe with this much fullness, I don't think I'll be using it. But yeah, and I'm excited to dress this up. Honestly, this would be so cute. And yeah, I'm so excited to have this little piece in my collection. And I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment if you guys tried this already. Yeah, actually, do tell me, because I've already had, excuse me, how many bags like these are from Nicole that I got. And honestly, they're pretty good. Please comment down if you've tried them already, and then let me know if you really like them. So here it is. Gotta go. Bye.